Hi, good morning to all my dear intermediate MPC BPC students, regular students, long-term students, CBSE students, and all your parents. Welcome to BMS Academy of Objective Physics, online offline tuition classes for NEET and IIT entrance coaching 2026. This is Mr. Bhanu Murthy Sharma, BMS, senior faculty member, physics faculty member, having 30 years of teaching experience in Hyderabad for both NEET and IIT entrance coaching. Thanks for joining with me. And also thanks to YouTube team members for providing me this wonderful opportunity, very good opportunity to explore my knowledge and also to explore my teaching methodology in front of the students. My dear students, in this video class, I'm going to explain some important questions, previous entrance questions, which are based on differential equations, based on differential formulas, how to solve those numerical problems. Let us discuss today from the chapter motion in a straight line. From 2015 onwards to 2025, what type of questions they are asking based on differential equations? Let us discuss quickly. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe, and do viral this video to all your friend circle so that every student can get awareness in solving the problems from differential equations. In fact, maximum number of students are suffering in solving numerical problems based on differential equations and integration formulas also. They are not in a position to solve. I don't know what is the reason. It may be due to the lack of their awareness in the subject, or it may be due to the lack of guidelines given by the tutors and lecturers. I'm sorry to say this. On the behalf of students and parents' request, I started releasing video classes, video lectures through YouTube platform. Tremendous response is coming from the students and parents. Thanks to all. Now let us move to the first question in this video class very quickly. First question is, time is a function of position. Time varies with position is given as t equals to root x plus 4. Find the velocity dx by dt at t equals to 4 seconds. This is the question. Time is varying with position and x is varying with time. Find the velocity. What to do now? Options are 4, 0, 8 and 16. My dear students, let us start now. Let me write first of all t is equals to root x plus 4. Then I can do root x equals to t minus 4. Then x equals to t minus 4 whole square. My dear students, in order to get the velocity, first we have to get the position. Then rate of change of position is called as velocity, you know that. X is a function of time. So rate of change of displacement with respect to time, that is dx by dt is equals to, so generally d by dt of t to the power of n, general formula n into t to the power of n minus 1. Especially for BPC students, such type of problems they are facing difficulties. Okay, even IIT mains section also suffering. So to get rid of all those difficulties, I started this video class. Regularly, I'm going to release the video classes from now onwards. Of course, from the last 3 years, I released almost all 50 to 60 video classes. You please go through all those video classes, just introduction classes only. If you like this video, and then you can come and join in our institution. We are conducting number of batches, long-term batches, short-term batches for MPC, BPC students for NEET and IIT entrance coaching. Wish you good luck. So velocity equals to Tx by dt, that is 2 into t minus 4 whole to the power of 2 minus 1 and x to the power of n minus 1, like that. So velocity is equals to 2 into t minus 4, that equals to 2 into t minus 8. 2 4s are 8. So he is asking velocity at time t equals to 4 seconds. So v is equals to dx by dt, that is equals to 2 into 4 seconds. I am substituting minus 8. My students, this answer is 0. So 0 is the correct answer, B. Very simple question. Within 1 minute, we can solve this problem. You know? Right. Very next question. Asked in 2024 recently. Asked there, the last academic year. A particle is moving along x-axis with its position varying with time as x equals to alpha t power 4 plus beta t square plus gamma t plus gamma plus delta. So he is asking the ratio of initial velocity to initial acceleration. He has given the position. I am writing here. Position is given alpha t to the power of 4 plus beta t square plus gamma t plus delta. This is a position formula with respect to time. Now I am finding velocity, rate of change of displacement or position. So alpha I am writing because it's a constant, alpha, beta, gamma, delta. So alpha as it is, then t power 4 differentiation is 4 into t cube, just like previous method. General formula given in the previous problem, nt to the power of n minus 1 plus beta into t square differentiation is 2 into t plus gamma t differentiation is 1 plus a constant, no, that is delta is a constant, the differentiation of a constant is 0. So finally velocity is equals to 4 alpha t cube plus 2 beta t plus gamma we got. But he is asking initial velocity, no? At t equals to 0, we get initial velocity. Initial velocity u. So therefore, u is equals to, I am putting t value 0, 0 cube plus 2 beta, wherever t is there, we can put t 0 there, then gamma, then u is equals to gamma. This is the formula. Okay, we got initial velocity. Now, my dear students, I am putting the tick mark here, velocity formula. The next acceleration I want now, rate of change of velocity. I mentioned the put mark there, tick mark. So A is equals to rate of change of velocity means 4 alpha as it is, t cube differentiation is 3t square plus 2 beta into t differentiation is 1 plus gamma differentiation is 0. So A is equals to 12 alpha t square plus 2 beta we got. But at t equals to 0 again, we get what we get? We get initial acceleration at a time equals to 0. Initial acceleration. Remember this point. So therefore, A initial is equals to, what is that? 2 beta you are getting. Okay, Nana? Okay, beta? Right. So finally, ratio we are finding. Ratio U divided by A initial we got here, that equals to gamma delta divided by gamma divided by 2 beta. This is the ratio, gamma is 2 beta, right? So option number which one? Option number is gamma is to 2, gamma is to beta, fourth option. My dear students, third question I am going to project now. It is asked in 2000 around 2015, I think, and for NEET entrance examination. So a particle of unit mass undergoes one-dimensional motion such that its velocity varies according to Vx is equals to beta x to the power of minus 2n, where beta and n are constants and x is the position of the particle. Here velocity is given asking acceleration. That's all I am writing. My dear students, I am writing velocity here. Velocity is a function of displacement. So beta into x to the power of minus 2n. So then we can find out acceleration, no? Acceleration, how can you find out? V into dx by dv by dx. V into dv by dx. This is the formula. because acceleration is equals to rate of change of this velocity, you know. So both sides multiplying and dividing with the dx, we get dv by dx into dx by dt. Then finally we get dv by dx into v means the rate of change of displacement, dx by dt. So that's what I written the same formula here. Okay, so this is the formula you have to choose. Now acceleration, because if velocity varies with respect to position, then acceleration formula you should know this point. If velocity varies with respect to time, you have to select a equals to dv by dt directly. Okay, so two formulas are there for acceleration, dv by dt and v into dv by dx. That's all. Okay, my dear students. So A is equal. This is this only video class, video lecture. No, in whenever you come and join in our institution, the slow and slow variation, that explanation will be there, slow variation, so that every student can understand. I will come down to the students level and I will explain each and every problem in detail. Okay, so like this. So A is equals to V into dV by dx. V for beta, this is equation number 1. Beta I'm substituting. This is equation number 2. Substituting 1 in 2, beta means v means beta into x to the power of minus 2n. Okay, so after that differentiation of velocity. So beta as it is now, minus 2n into x to the power of minus 2n minus 1, my dear students. Because x to the power of n means differentiation nx to the power of n minus 1, I written the same point. So acceleration is equals to beta into beta square into minus 2n, I can write, into x to the power of minus 2n into x to the power of minus 2n minus 1. My dear students, finally we get minus 2n beta square. If bases are equal, powers should be added. You know that point. X to the power of minus 4n minus 1. So if bases are equal, x and x, powers should be added. So minus 4n minus 1. This is the final answer, my dear students. So where it is now, minus 4n minus 1, where it is, third option. Okay. So all intermediate BPC, MPC students, NEET and IIT students, long-term students, short-term students, CBSE students, for all of them, this is the way of explanation. Okay, after listening this video class, I hope you can join in our institution. The classes will be started from 4 a.m. early morning up to night 10 p.m. Okay, so according to your convenient time, you can join in this institution. This is exclusively rank-oriented coaching for NEET and IIT. In some appropriate units, time and position x relation is given as t is equals to, okay, x squared plus x. It is asked recently in this academic year only. This question came for NEET entrance examination. So the students are feeling that the paper is very tough, very tough. So it's not like that. Once you get the perfection in differential equations, then it will be very, very easy to solve. Okay, nothing is impossible. Everything is possible. Okay, so do hard work. Okay, right. Right. Okay, t equals to x square plus x. Then rate of change of time with respect to x I am writing now with respect to x. So that equals to 2x plus 1, because 2x square differentiation is 2x and x differentiation is 1. Okay, now velocity I want reciprocal of this formula dx by dt. Just I am reversing this equation now. Reciprocal of dt by dx is nothing but dx by dt. That is called as velocity. That is equals to 2x plus 1 whole inverse. Or you can write 1 by 2x plus 1. Anyone you can write. Okay. So among these two. Now he is asking acceleration. Okay. Acceleration is nothing but velocity into dv by dx. That's all. Velocity into dv by dx. Velocity already we got it. First equation. And dv by dx means it's a differentiation. Okay, velocity means what? 2x plus 1. 1 by 2x plus 1 I am writing velocity. Then d by dx of, again what I am writing, 2x plus 1 whole inverse. It's differentiation I want. So that equals to 1 by 2x plus 1 into minus 1 into 2x plus 1 whole to the power of minus 1 minus 1. So x to the power of n is nothing but nx to the power of n minus 1 into differentiation of 2x is 2. That's all. Differentiation of 2x, x product is 2, no? It comes out. Okay. That is equals to 1 by 2x plus 1 into minus 2 by 2x plus 1 whole square. We can write it. Minus 2 comes down, denominator becomes plus 2. Okay. So minus 2 divided by 2x plus 1 whole cube. My dear students, it's not that much of difficult now. It is very easy. Just you know the formula A equals to V into du by dx. So velocity is varying with respect to position. Then acceleration formula V into du by dx. That's all. So this is the way of teaching from Mr. Bhanumurthy Sharma. Okay, having 30 years of teaching experience, we know what type of questions will come in entrance examinations. Okay, so you please join in this institution and get awareness of all problem on all problems. Okay, we can solve previous entrance questions, basics, concepts, everything, numerical problems, previous entrance questions, everything we can discuss chapter wise. Okay, so your duty is to join in our institution. That's all. Tremendous response is coming from the students and parents. Very nice. Okay, thanks for joining with me, and thanks for listening my video class. For more details, you go through description box given below. If you face any difficulties, for more details, you contact my phone numbers 98852777893 or 9652901063, and visit my website in Google search, that is bmsphysics.in. Small letters all are bmsphysics.in. Okay, so wishing you all the best and have a successful journey with Bhanumurthy's Academy. Right? Bye.